If you are not a perfectionist, then go ahead, keep scrolling. If you are, this is for you. Okay, so I am a perfectionist, and it's a huge problem. So basically, when I was a kid, I was an undiagnosed ADHD kid. And so the way that I compensated for that was that I would, work really hard behind the scenes and, work long, work hard, harder than other people. And then I would show up as if I hadn't just, worked twice as hard as everybody else, right? So I became like somebody who just kind of worked on something quietly in the corner. And also, it made me, it also developed this perfectionist style of behaving, right? Like, so if things weren't perfect, then I wouldn't present it, right? Because if the thing that I was presenting wasn't perfect, then I would feel like people would know about me. They would find out that I'm not perfect. Like, for example, this mask is on wrong. Anyway, it's not perfect, and it's okay. So, being a perfectionist, one of the biggest problems with that is that you don't get stuff done. Or you may not even take action in the first place. And so today I just decided that I was going to just fuck that. I'm going to just take action. I am going to take imperfect action and just, go with it. Like, it doesn't have to be perfect. I don't have to be perfect. My mask doesn't have to be on right. And it's all good. So I just wanted to extend the invitation to you as well to take that on. You don't have to be perfect, okay? Take imperfect action in whatever you're doing and just keep going, okay? That's how you learn. That's how you grow. All right. So I'm going to be taking imperfect action from now on, okay? You're going to see me. My hair's not going to be done. I won't have makeup on. I'm just going to be doing it. Boom. I'm just going to be doing it. Yes. Bye.